All right, so we got an unfortunate update. I went to go move my car yesterday, and out of the clear blue sky, my clutch was all the way on the floor. I just tried to put some fluid in the reservoir because just yesterday it was bone dry. Now it's street sweeping, and I, again, just filled up the reservoir. As you can see, it's raining, and I'm assuming all that is fluid leaving the car. It's coming directly from somewhere along the lines of this car. Really bummed about it. Hope I don't get a ticket today. Gotta get this thing over to the wizard, man. What's going on, y'all? We're back with this thing. The hydro's not working. You're lying.
Bro, watch.
No, I saw it stop the wheel, but there's so much play. Anyway, back to the intro. Right here at Right Hand's house. He magically touched my car and it started working again. My hydro was out. My concentric slave cylinder was not working. My clutch was totally on the floor. And then he jacks it up. Why did all the pressure come back? I'm at a loss for words right now. He's yanking on my e-brake. I did a little bit of a bleed. I did a solo bleed, which 10 out of 10 do not recommend. And it has a little bit of pressure, like a little bit. The throw is like from here to here, and then it finally catches where it's supposed to be just this, and it locks. But anyway, we're here now. Thing's magically working. I've never seen it go from the clutch go all the way to the floor and all the way back up with no pressure in between. This guy jacks it up. Now it's all the way back, as if it was just bled. Really, really weird. I'm gonna have to change from this Clutch Masters CSC over back to OEM because this makes absolutely no sense. This is my second time being here for the same issue in the last 2 months. Yeah, I have no idea why it's doing this. The reservoir was totally empty, bone dry. Put some fluid in there, kept pumping it. It was still doing nothing. I get here after a long day of driving, towing, the whole 9 yards. We get here, he touches it, and it's back to brand new. Really kind of irritated for the wasted time, but I'm happy that it's working. I don't know if I should take the step and, excuse me, and just go ahead and replace this thing now, because that shit gonna be expensive, or if I should just thug it out, because it's working now.
Thug it out. That really leaves you stranded.
All right, so little update. Clutch is still holding just fucking fine. I'm really pissed about it, but I'm happy about it at the same damn time. Now we got another issue. So as he was driving away, I got a phone call coming in. You're gonna have to hold on, player. As he was driving away, test driving it, we noticed that my daytime running lights weren't lit at all. Speaking of, these things kind of suck. They look amazing. They have the exact look that I wanted, minus when the daytime running lights are actually on. They look like shit, but they look great when they're on the car. NTX glows is what those are. But nonetheless, daytime running lights weren't lit while he was driving away. I was wondering what the fuck's going on. He knew which fuse it was that was blown. He turned my headlights on, blew it instantly. So now he's on the hunt to figure out what the fuck has this fuse blowing instantaneously. I'm just trying to get this thing halfway decent, because right now it's a piece of something. it's a piece, man. It's a piece of work for sure. That's the word. Yeah, the saga continues next time on Dragon Ball. No, I'm just playing. So the mad scientist found the issue. Is it on the headlight or is it over there? Oh yeah, you see it. You see it. Good old angle kit. Gotta love it. See the wheel rubbing right here? And that's actually why my driver's side headlight went out. He's trying to figure out how he can get me out of this sticky situation right now. As you can see, this is how the pins are looking. Looking gnarled for sure. Yeah, hopefully I come out of here. Well, you know what? Hopefully I'll just come out of here with a working car. Because I came here for a fucking slave cylinder. And it works now. I don't know what I did, but I fixed it. His hands are magic. Pause. But But yeah, I don't know what to say. Moving on. So this man right here, some call him a mechanic, some call him an electrician. I call him a friend. But no, he fixed the shit out of my headlights in like literally probably about 6 minutes. He found out what was causing the shit to blow, taped it up, wrapped it up, slapped it back on. Both headlights are working. Turned the underglow on to be fancy. Daytime running lights are working. Dude's hands are ordained for real. If you guys need any work, hit up this man. I'm gonna plug his info right here. But yeah, I think that's it for this episode. Wish me luck driving this thing 50 something miles back home, and hopefully my clutch holds pressure for the rest of 2024. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.